The Company Emergency Response Team, or CERT, is a small group of trained personnel appointed from within an organization to deal with any emergencies in the company's premises. The CERT's primary role is to mitigate any fire incident and prevent an escalation prior to the arrival of SCDF. With the success of the CERT scheme for the premises containing petroleum and flammable materials, the Fire Safety Act was amended in 2013 to allow the SCDF to extend the CERT scheme to designated public and industrial buildings with the following criteria. Any building that is more than 9-story high, inclusive of the basement. The building is used, constructed, or adapted to be used as a hospital. The building has a floor area of 5,000 square meters or more, or it has an occupant load of 1,000 persons or more. CERT comprise at least 6 members equipped to handle emergency situations effectively. These members include 1 Site Main Controller or SMC, 1 Site Incident Controller or SIC, and at least 4 Emergency Response Team members. Now, let's look at how the CERT can assist SCDF during a real incident. First person who discovers the fire should activate the nearest fire alarm call point, confirm the location of the incident with the Fire Command Center or FCC, and attempt to put out the fire if the situation permits. The FCC should carry out the following actions after being notified of the incident. Call the SCDF 995 emergency hotline and alarm monitoring agencies. Announce the nature and location of the emergency over the public announcement system and notify neighboring companies. Activate CERT to respond to the incident site. The CERT members, upon activation, should gather at the CERT assembly point with the necessary response equipment within 1 minute and reach the incident site within 5 minutes. The SIC should respond straight to the incident site upon activation and perform the following activities. Verify the incident. Conduct site assessment. Determine the extent of the emergency and provide a verbal situation report to the FCC and instruct the CERT. The CERT should also ensure the smooth and orderly evacuation of all company employees by guiding them to the Evacuees Assembly Area or EAA. Perform a thorough search of the premises to ensure that no personnel are left behind, and perform a head count at the EAA to account for all company personnel. Upon arrival of the SCDF, the SMC or SIC should conduct proper handing over of the incident command and provide the following to the SCDF ground commander: the site layout map or building plan, the company emergency response plan, the company's petroleum and flammable materials or hazmat inventory and location, the total number of workers, the casualty numbers and any personnel unaccounted for, a general description of the incident, and the CERT resources deployed. After briefing the SCDF ground commanders, the CERT should continue to support SCDF in its firefighting and hazmat mitigation efforts until the end of the operation. The formalization of the CERT scheme for PIB's premises will ensure that the CERT are competently trained and equipped to handle the early stages of an emergency. This prevents the escalation of any incidents and facilitates operational synergy with the SCDF.